a dream I know. Deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Hello reality viewers, welcome back again to Reality Latest Gist, the home of news and politics. For this channel, we dey drop news every day and we dey react to every videos wey comes our way. And na reality news now we dey drop for this channel, and we dey also dey talk am as e be. If today na the first time we say you dey come across this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are returning subscribers, I appreciate all of una for una massive support to this channel. I say may God bless all of una in Jesus name. Amen. I get video wey I want present to una this very moment, and I go dey follow una dey watch the video. After we don watch am together, make we drop our opinion constructively for the comment section. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. Bye for now.
This evening we are going to address some of the efulefus, those who want to bring division in Biafra struggle. Tell them that they have failed. Okay? This evening we are going to address some audio message that a lot of people are sharing on their WhatsApp and where somebody is alleging that the people that are killing people in Biafra land and part of Anambra State, they are not sponsored by the Nigeria government, that they are Abakaleke people. Abakaleke people. It is quite very, very laughable. Very, very laughable that people are wicked. People are wicked. People are just evil. Whoever made that video, whoever made that voice recording is coming from pit of hell. That person is satanic. That person is devil incarnate himself. But you know what? We will always shame them. The problem is that some of them don't know how far the struggle for Biafra has gone. I don't know whether they were sleeping. It has gone far beyond anybody coming to tell you this one is Anambra man, this one is Abakaleke man, this one is Imo State man, this one is Abia State man. If you are thinking like that, you are not with Biafrans, okay? So for somebody to come and make voice recording and people are sharing it, that Abakaleke people, Abakaleke people are killing people in Anambra State. What a devilish and a demonic man. Whoever that person is, send this video to him. I'm going to address it this evening. Tell him that, that was before. It was before. These are the people that destroyed the unity of people of the southeast of Nigeria. The mentality that destroyed the unity. And today, Mazenam Dikano, IPOB, have been able to gather everybody and unite everybody. And today, somebody is looking for a way to, all these politicians looking for a way to sow seed of Fulani seed in the midst of Biafra agitators and in the midst of Biafra people. Somebody is making a video that he heard somebody speaking Abakaleke accent. Those people who killed, that it was a witness. They stopped him, and they were that Simon Ekpa said that those people are Fulanis, that they are not Fulanis, that they have a Abakaleke accent. And the people are sharing it because somebody sent it to me. Somebody sent it to me. People are sharing it. And the people sharing it are not with us. Those are the people who want election to hold in Anambra. Those are the people who want Nigeria to continue to enslave you. Those are the people who are looking for one opportunity or another from the Anambra election. Nothing else. They don't care. Now, the question you should be asking the person, whoever this demon is, and that person will not end well. That person that made that voice recording, he will not end well. Whoever that demon is, the question you should be asking him is that, where is his audio when people were slaughtered in that Ebonyi state? Where is his audio when people were slaughtered in Anambra state? Their head chopped off. Almost all the children, all the girls and ladies in school hostel. Fulani went there and butchered all of them. I am asking that idiot. I am asking that stupid Efulefu man. Where were his audio? Did he release audio when people were being butchered? When Fulani were tormenting people in Anambra state? Did he make audio? No. He will not make audio. Because the people killed that time are not human. It is only when a prominent person is killed. It's only when people like Dr. Chike become victim. That is when Anambra is losing people. Okay? Only when Dr. Chike become victim is when other people are making videos. Where were your video? When Fulani waged civil war and genocide on the people of Biafra in Imo State. Eh? Where is your audio? Where is your audio when Abia State was on fire? Where is your audio? You will not hear the audio now. So because Chike, Dr. Chike has become a victim. You remember Abakaleke people? Abakaleke want to destroy you. Abakaleke want to kill you. It will not work. These are the agents of the most. In fact, I don't even, before evening, I will look for a name. I will look for a name to give that person. But let me tell you, tell whoever have that audio, that voice of that man, he is not going to end well. He should go and mark it. Whoever know him, tell him that the Biafra spirit will hunt him down. From today, he's not going to end well. For him to come to sow a seed of division, he allowed himself to be used by Fulani tactics that Abakaleke people. There is no Abakaleke people in Biafra struggle. There is no Ebonyi people in Biafra struggle. There is no Anambra people in Biafra struggle. It is only people with Nigeria and the evil Nigeria mind that will be saying, I hear Abakaleke person. We don't have Abakaleke person in Biafra struggle. Okay? We don't have it. But the question I want to, all of you that are sharing that message, the question I want to ask you before the evening come is, where is that man's voice when people were slaughtered, their heads were chopped off in hostel in Anambra State? Where was he? Was he dead? He just wake up now, and it happened this year. It happened this year, not 10 years ago. Is he aware of that? Where was he when Fulani went to Enugu State, butchered people, burnt them? Their body was burned beyond recognition. Did he make video? Did he make video to condemn Fulani? He don't. That is why I am declaring today that the spirit of Biafra will hunt that person down, wherever he is. Tell him that Simonetta says so. Spirit of Biafra will deal with him for him to come to try to divide Biafra people. It will not work. The only thing is that if that guy, if that man or whoever he is, know how serious we are, he will go into hiding. Because these tactics of Fulani of come to divide them and conquer them, it is not working anymore. They tried it in Lagos. They tried it in Lagos. It did not work in Lagos. Is it in Biafra it will work? That one an old format. It didn't work in Lagos. During the End SARS protest, what did the Yoruba people who are Nigeria people do? They tried to claim that the Igbo people are born in Lagos. They tried it. That one was even more, more serious. They say Igbo people were born in Lagos. Why would you allow Igbo to come and born Lagos? Because the only thing they don't know is that they don't know how far we have gone. They don't know the unity between us and Yoruba people. They don't know. They think we are just shouting on social media. They don't know that we already have bond. They think when we are saying God bless Sunday Igboho, God bless this one, God bless that one, it's just because we are saying it. We have gone far. The unity is unbreakable. It's unbreakable. If Fanika Yode like today, let him go and give his ass to Fulani. It is not going to break. Fanika Yode is not one of us. Okay? If he like, let him go and do whatever. He's not going to shake the bond between us and the Yoruba, the real Yoruba fighters. And let me tell you, they are all intact. Intact. So that person that made that video, you shall be disgraced in due time. Wherever you are, you will be disgraced. Except you make another audio to apologize to the spirit of Biafra. It is not, nobody is going to do you anything. But let me tell you, you will be disgraced by the spirit of Biafra in due time. For you to have come to accuse Abakaleke people. So that Anambra people will rise. You think that Anambra, the only people that will even listen to you are those who are not Biafrans. Those who have not, who have not completely jumped face. Okay? These are the people that will listen to you. But nobody, no genuine Biafra will ever listen to that kind of nonsense. Abakaleke is killing us. Abakaleke, Governor Obiano, come to our aid. Abakaleke people. Those people are Abakaleke. Simon Ekpa said that they are Fulani, but they are not Fulani because he heard their voice, their accent, Abakaleke accent. Do you know what is Abakaleke accent? Do you know what is Anambra accent? Fulani speak your own language more than you. Fulani speak your own accent more than you. Okay? Did you not hear the emir in Imo State claiming to have been that the Fulani, they came to Imo State in 1970, or what is it called? And he was blowing away. Uyobu Yomagi. So if you hear that kind of man coming to kill your brother in Anambra State, you will jump us. He jump up. I heard him, his accent. He's over a person. Over the people are killing us. So over the people are killing us. So I hear the accent. He was saying Uyo Mag. And the only thing this idiot could do is to come and release audio message. They almost killed me. I was there. They came, they stopped one reverend father, they stopped another one. These people are speaking Abakaleke. Did you go to school for Abakaleke accent? Do you have a degree to detect? You have become a language detector to detect when somebody is speaking Abakaleke and when somebody. You see, I want to tell that person that the format is old one. They should go and look for a new format. Biafra are united. Biafra and Oduduwa are united, and there is nothing in this life you can do to break that thing. The unity can never be broken. We have gone far. Okay? The only reason I will even talk about it, the only reason I want to talk about it is to shame you, nothing else. And to shame those who may have ignorantly shared the message. Apart from that, nothing more, because it doesn't, It doesn't move us. That kind of format, it doesn't move us anymore. We have gone, very, very far. I want you to send this video to the man. Tell the man that the spirit of Biafra will locate him. Except the spirit of Biafra will locate him anywhere he is. For allowing Fulani to use him. The problem is that some people are working for Fulani without knowing it. When you work for Fulani, it does not mean that Fulani give you money. Okay, go and talk. No. That is what we call working directly, indirectly, and by proxy. By proxy, you work without knowing it. So you don't necessarily need to collect money from Fulani to work for them. Okay? Some of you are working for Fulani because your own interest, when you want to protect your interest, to work against the collective interest of Biafra, you think you are doing something. You are working for Fulani. This evening also, we are going to address the election because we have a very intelligent report that they want to conduct Anambra State election in the north. We have a very reliable, intelligent report that Anambra election will be conducted in the north. So this evening, I'm going to expose how this election is going to be conducted in the north, and we are going to stop them. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to review to you how they want to conduct Anambra election in the north. And I will tell you how to stop them. Don't miss it this evening. Don't miss it. Forget anyone. Disregard all the voice. Somebody is telling you, Abakaleke people this, Abakaleke people that. Owere people this, Owere people that. Abia State is dividing Igbo land. Abia State is destroying Igbo. Forget all those nonsense. We don't have it in Biafra. We don't have it in Biafra. What we have in Biafra is Biafra. Okay? And anybody who is fighting for Biafra restoration, you must understand that anywhere you come across somebody telling you, you are from Anambra, you are Anambra man, you are from Enugu, you are Enugu man. My brother, make sure you teach that person a very big lesson. Because in Biafra, we don't know that. We don't recognize Enugu, we don't recognize Abakaleke, we don't recognize Ebonyi, we don't recognize Anambra, we don't recognize Enugu. Biafra land is one. One and one. When we get Biafra, we are going to have the Confederation of Biafra, the Confederated State. Then you can begin to talk where you come from, but your state of origin is Biafra. So it is not a state of origin. I am from Enugu. What is Enugu? State of origin, I am from Ebonyi. What is Ebonyi? What is Ebonyi? What is the meaning of Ebonyi? What is the meaning of Ebonyi? State of origin, I am from Anambra. What is Anambra? Anambra means what in Igbo language? Kedu Anambra mean in Igbo language? Anamajunu. Anambra mean again. Anambra this, Anambra that. Ebonyi this, Ebonyi that. When we get Biafra, we will know the name, original name we have. Before these idiotic people, Ekwenso people came in and begin to divide us. We are going back to root. Because the only value, the only thing that will give us value, cultural value, is that we go back to root and answer our name, what we are. That does not stop us from embracing civilization and growing like every other country in the world. Civilization has nothing to do with your culture. Civilization has nothing to do with your root and where you come from. You absolutely have nothing. Do you know that as I'm talking to you today, over 500 local government, over 500 communities is under control of Boko Haram in Niger State. Are you aware of that? Over 500 communities is under Boko Haram. Nobody is talking about it. Do you know how many people that they have killed in Biafra land? And nobody, I don't know why this person is calling me when I am having, this person calling me from from Italy. Stop calling me. You are calling me from Italy. Stop calling me. I will make your number public. If one more time, I will make the number public, and I will tell everybody to go and call this number. Call the number until the person will not get himself again. One moment. Because we are going back to how we do it